Hey everyone, I am continuing my Destash series. This is going to be part 4. And from all the videos that I posted already, unless something falls through, there is one item available, and that is going to be Lot 8, which is a Happy Christmas. That is a Echo Park collection. Comes with the collection kit, chipboard, and a pack of ephemera brads. That's $6. So that is still available if you're interested in that. In this video, I'll have 3 separate lots. One will be some Echo Park collections, Echo Park and Cartabella. Then one will be Simple Stories collections. Then I'll have a separate paper collection by Tonic. I didn't know what else to put that in, so it's just going to be its own separate item. And if you're already on my list for things, you can add that to what you're getting. And if you're new to my Destash series, and you want to purchase something I am showing, send me an email. My email is in the description box. If you would include your complete mailing information so that I have that ahead of time, then I can just keep a running list. So after this video, I have a big pile of 12 by 12 paper pads. I'll be doing those the next maybe 1 or 2 videos. I can't remember how many I have, but I might be doing those out at in my garage because I have them piled up out there, and I want to do as little carrying as possible. So if I'm in a different location, that is why, because they're out there in my garage. The first collection, or the first lot, is going to be lot number 10. It is going to be some Simple Stories collections. So here's what it will be. It's going to be $7 plus shipping. So this first collection is Simple Vintage Woodlands, and it's the complete collection. Comes with the sticker sheet, and there's a pretty good look at all the papers you get. So you get that. It's Simple Vintage Woodland. Then also, it will include this 12 by 12. It's called a simple set. It's Happy New Year's. So basically, you'll get 6 double-sided pieces of paper, 2 of each design, basically. Then you get the sticker sheet, too. So there's the sticker sheet. And it's a Happy New Year's theme. And then this is a collection of ephemera, mostly. This was part of a mystery box. They did not include very much paper, which was kind of a bummer. The colors, probably you can find collections to match. This is a stencil. Lots of ephemera. There's what you get in there. This is from Cider Donut. And these are layered chipboard ephemera. They're adhesive. More ephemera from Acorn Lane. This is journal bits. This is floral bits. There's what you get in there. And there's that one. Chipboard from Acorn Lane. And at least these are tags, which is good, I think. I like tags. You're getting a sheet of the tags. This is Cider and Donuts. And the sticker sheet from Cider and Donuts also. All right, so all that will be in this lot. And again, that's lot 10. And it is $7 plus shipping. Let me know if you're interested. You got to be pretty quick because if people are interested, they're letting me know right away. So definitely. And then you get these 2 collections. So that is, where's my sticky note? I know I felt it. It's probably in here somewhere. Let me rewrite it. Lot 10, $7. Okay. So put that one aside. Lot 11 is Cartabella and Echo Park. This is going to be $10 plus shipping. There's 3 collections. So this first one is Echo Park Winter Wonderland collection. This is brand new. I bought this last year and I'm never going to use it. I know it. Comes with the sticker sheet. Didn't buy any of them or anything, so you'll get that one. This one, the next 2 are Cartabella. They were part of the 2022 subscription kits. Anything else I had for these collections is missing in action or been donated or is part of my mystery boxes. This is called Gather at Home, and this is Cartabella. This is from 2021. It's got a date of 2021 on it. And there's the inspiration sheet, so you can see kind of the color palette. This paper is really nice and thick, and it's got a texture to it. I just know I've had this since January of 2022, and I have not given it a thought. So if you think you might use it, it's beautiful. Same with this one. This was from May. This was May 2022. So you can kind of see the color palette. There's the stickers. And the chipboard. Alright, so that is lot 11, $10 for all that. Those all together. And then I've got one more individual paper pad in here. I just threw it in here. I didn't know where else to add it for right now. So this is lot 12. This is a Christmas paper pad. It's called Candy Cane Christmas, and it is $2. It's got all these fun little pattern papers in here. Lots of pink pastels. It's by Tonic Studio. There's some metallic colors in here. You get quite a bit. Let's see. There's 9 sheets that are silver foil. That is available, lot 12, and that'll be $2. Okay, that's all for this video. Let me know if you're interested in any of these. I also still have my mystery boxes available. They're $20 each. There's a video if you want to go check that out. There's lots of stuff in my boxes. So the next video will be some 12 by 12 paper pads from, I believe they're all from Michaels. Some of them might have a few sheets missing, but for the most part, they're going to be pretty much brand new. So stay tuned if you are interested in any of those. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.